Okay, I've got to kind of hold it up in here. I'm going to push it right in there like that. I don't want to just hang on to the ends of here because I could bend that. So I want to grab it, be firm with it. And I'm not going to put the screw in the threaded part, just beyond that, because I want to make sure I can at least push this back in tight, you know? I don't want to just go up to the screw and think, okay, yeah, that's fine, now screw it in. Because if you're hitting something on the back side, you're not going to know it. You think, oh, I'll just screw this in, and then you strip the screws out of the plastic box. You know what I mean? Okay, now I can lift it out gently, put the screw in the plastic threads, and just start a little bit. Don't go down too far, because you got to get this one. You get that one in too far, and then sometimes you have to pull this out, and then you start bending the bracket. Okay? We don't want that, do we? Now you can look at it and kind of line it up, see if it's going to go straight in, and I think it's going to. And again, that's why I do it by hand. In case it starts getting too tight to screw in, I'll stop and take a look at it and see what's going on. You know, that good stuff. Jeez. I wish they'd make these threads just a hair deeper. They don't. Really feel it in the fingers after a while. Tonight, your fingers are going to be kind of sore. Okay, I did that too far because I'm not in the groove here. There. I know my box is pretty straight. And so if I just give it the same gap, I'll look at that first. And then if I have to move it, I will. You know, that's where it looks. I've just kind of eyeball that, and that looks really good. Okay, I can cinch it down. Oops, it moved on me. Slide that. There we go. It's right into place. See why we needed to have those tabs out of there? And in a pinch, you didn't want to move that, or if, let's say it was way off, you could slide that over, and if you need a little bit more, you could loosen up this box and slide the box a little bit too. So you got lots of ways to make this straight up and down. Do a good job. Counting on you. It doesn't look half bad. Let's get this up there. These are those vinyl cover plates. I'm not quite sold on those. You know, they kind of have a tendency to push a little bit, but they guarantee that they don't break. And that's the tricky part with regular covers. You know, the hard plastic ones. You cinch this up just a hair too tight and crack. You crack those out. Now see how this plug? This was the existing plug. See how it sticks out? Just a little bit all the way around. That's just how it's supposed to be. That's how all the other ones are. So, it looks good. Good job. The moment of truth. I'm going to go and turn the breaker back on. No tricks. I'll turn it back on and we'll check that out. Got the breaker on. Take my little wire tester here. An orange light should light up here. I haven't tested it yet. We'll see. Okay, do you see the light? Yeah, you do. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. Another way you can do it is you can put a lamp in there. And the reason why I got light on right now is I got an extension cord coming through the bathroom from before because I had all the power off to all the plugs. Okay, we got another plug to check too, don't we? That's right, the one way up high. We got to check that one out too. Don't just make some assumptions. Let's check that one out. Haven't checked it yet. Let's just see what's going on with this. Let's see if this light comes on. There it is. See it? Check the top. Okay. Looks fine. Now that's how you do a standard plug install. If your job is slightly different than that, that's fine. If you got any questions, you can send me a comment, send me a message, whatever you got to do, and I'll be more than happy to try to help you out. Okay, 2 plugs installed, different wiring setup for both of those, and if yours is different than that, follow this video, see what you come up with. If you've got any questions, give me a shout out.